Avoid loud noises around the baby. A newborn's senses, especially their hearing, are delicate and still developing. Loud noises can be overwhelming, distressing, and even harmful to a baby's well-being. Ensuring a calm and quiet environment is essential for their comfort, healthy development, and emotional security. Below is a detailed explanation of why it's important to avoid loud noises around babies and how to create a peaceful environment for them. Why loud noises should be avoided around babies. 1. Protects the baby's sensitive hearing. A baby's ears are more sensitive than an adult's because their auditory system is still developing. Prolonged exposure to loud sounds can damage the tiny hair cells in the inner ear, leading to potential hearing loss or delays in language development. The safe noise level for babies is around 50 to 60 decibels, dB, similar to a quiet conversation or gentle background music. Sounds above 80 dB, like a vacuum cleaner, loud TV, or traffic noise, can be too much for a baby's ears. 2. Prevents startling and distress. Babies have a strong startle reflex, Moro reflex, which can be triggered by sudden loud noises. Startling a baby repeatedly can cause them to become anxious, fussy, or have difficulty settling down. 3. Supports better sleep. Newborns sleep for 14 to 17 hours a day, and loud noises can disrupt their sleep cycles. Good sleep is essential for brain development, growth, and emotional regulation. Even during deep sleep, babies are more sensitive to noise than adults, and sudden loud sounds can wake them up or make it harder for them to fall back asleep. 4. Encourages healthy brain development. The early years are crucial for cognitive and auditory development. A calm, quiet environment allows babies to focus on the subtle sounds of speech and communication, which helps with language learning. Constant exposure to loud environments may make it harder for babies to distinguish speech sounds, affecting their ability to develop language skills later on. 5. Prevents stress and anxiety. Loud noises can increase stress levels in babies, leading to irritability and excessive crying. Research suggests that exposure to high noise levels can raise cortisol, stress hormone levels, making babies feel overwhelmed and insecure. How to minimize loud noises around the baby. 1. Keep the home environment calm. Lower the volume of televisions, speakers, and music players. Avoid sudden loud household noises like slamming doors, shouting, or using noisy appliances near the baby's sleeping area. Use soft, soothing sounds like white noise machines or lullabies if background noise is needed. 2. Be mindful of noisy appliances. Household items like vacuum cleaners, blenders, and hair dryers can be too loud for babies. If using them, try to keep the baby in a different room or use these appliances when the baby is awake and engaged. 3. Limit exposure to public noise. Avoid taking the baby to excessively loud places like concerts, crowded malls, sporting events, or construction sites. If necessary, use baby ear protection, noise-canceling earmuffs, to reduce noise exposure in loud environments. 4. Encourage quiet interactions. Speak to the baby in a gentle, soothing tone instead of loud or abrupt sounds. Encourage siblings and visitors to use soft voices around the baby. Avoid loud toys that make sharp, sudden noises. Instead, choose soft, melodic, and natural sounds. 5. Create a peaceful sleep environment. Use soft rugs and curtains to absorb noise in the baby's room. Place the crib away from noisy areas like the TV room or kitchen. If outside noise is unavoidable, consider using a white noise machine or soft lullabies to create a calming background. When loud noises are unavoidable, sometimes loud sounds cannot be avoided, e.g., fireworks, sirens, or thunderstorms. In such cases, hold and comfort the baby to help them feel secure. Use noise-canceling earmuffs if exposure is prolonged. Redirect attention with soft singing or cuddling to reassure the baby. Final thoughts. Creating a quiet and peaceful environment is essential for a baby's hearing health, sleep quality, brain development, and emotional security. By minimizing loud noises and being mindful of the baby's surroundings, parents and caregivers can ensure a safe and comforting space for their little one to thrive.